right, Johnny here is our first customer for this.
You call this the Big Kahuna?
The Big Kahuna. He has our bacon jalapeno double. This is it, guys.
Wow! Look at that.
With fries.
Wait. Wow.
Look at that. Take a bite of that, Johnny. Let me know what you think. We are doing lunch on our second day. First burger. Johnny's going to give it a try. You had that cooked medium too, right?
Wow.
Get all the goodies in there.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Now that's a burger right there, man.
Good.
I ate one earlier. I said, you know what? I loved Ollie's burgers, and I still do, but I have to say, we have this burger thing mastered over here at Papi'S Bar and Chill, man. Yeah, this is a messy burger, but hey, if it's good, if it's messy, you know it's good.
Yeah.
Well, I must be really good.
It's super messy.
Well, I like my biscuits and gravy, so I'm very satisfied with it.
There we go.
Tomorrow's biscuits are going to be even better.
Yeah.
New improved biscuits coming tomorrow, guys.
We got it mastered today.
For me yesterday.
We got it mastered today. The cooks have improved the recipe on the biscuits. We've had a few people say they were dense, and I agree, they were kind of dense. Now they're fluffier than ever.
But they still tasted.
Oh no, they taste good. They were just heavy. They were heavy biscuits. Yeah, we got it mastered now.
We got them fluffy and delicious.
Yep.
That's
Right,
okay.
Yep, fries are on point, right?
Yeah.
Crispy like you like them?
Awesome.
There you go. We made sure we labeled this one.
Tomato ketchup.
It's a tomato ketchup, not a banana ketchup.
So, you know, we didn't want to get too fancy or anything, have a fancy ketchup bottle.
Why not?
We just, some tape, a little ink pen.
That's how we fix
Because
it.
sometimes, you know, the best just won't do.
That's true. We have hot sauce labeled on the other one the same way. Just so you know, guys, our burgers are quarter pounders here. That's the minimum size of burger that we start with. We have a single patty that's a quarter, but then you go to the double, that's a half pounder, and these jalapeno bacon burgers, they're half pounders as well. We're also doing a deal with coffee, right, Drake? I don't know of too many people in town that are doing bottomless coffee.
Oh, then he's gonna finish your coffee.
So we're gonna have two choices. If you only are one cup person, then we'll just charge you the typical 79 pesos for one. And then we're gonna do an endless bottomless coffee. You sit here and drink all the coffee you want, and that's gonna be
1 million.
1 million pesos. Only 1 million. So that's the catch, everybody. Dr. Evil said it himself right there. 1 million pesos for bottomless coffee.
Pesos for the bottomless coffee. Scotty.
No, really. We're going to do bottomless coffee for $129.
$129. You heard it right here, guys.
$129 bottomless coffee here at
All you
Papi'S.
can drink.
You just keep drinking it. We'll cut you off. You get a 2-hour limit.
2 hours.
We'll start timing you. We'll time you. After 2 hours, you got to play another $129 if you want to keep going.
Do we have a bottomless San Miguel?
I don't know. We was thinking about doing bottomless waitresses, but the waitress that's you know, there's
okay with that.
There's topless all over the place. Topless this, topless that. So what if we just go bottomless?
Bottomless waitresses?
Can we? Everybody wears t-shirts, but nothing else.
All right. Girls, tomorrow you only have to wear half a uniform.
Only the shirts we gave you.
Yeah, only the shirts.
The shirts we gave you is all your total uniform is.
And we're going to name the bar only the shirts.
Shirts only.
Shirts only.
Shirts and skins.
Gravy.
All right, Dulce is digging into some biscuits and gravy with the new recipe on the biscuit. It's her first try here. You tell me, compared to yesterday, is the biscuit better today than yesterday? And yesterday's biscuits weren't bad, but these guys back in the kitchen are starting to master it.
Way better today.
There you go. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. Let's see what Taz is doing. So Dulcie's having breakfast. We do breakfast all day, guys. Just that's another thing. If you want breakfast, there's no limit. We'll do breakfast all day, especially the biscuits and gravy. Let's take a shot. Look at that creamy deliciousness.
Deliciousness.
And now Taz over here, he's digging into the Mercy's breakfast burrito.
Al pastor.
Pastor.
It is tasty. Tasty. The meat is marinated perfectly. It's delicious.
Nice.
Cheese. What else is in here? I can take some red sauce.
Yep, that's a special homemade salsa that we make.
Awesome.
Mexican style salsa. Recipe straight from old Mexico.
Awesome.
Some grilled onions and peppers in there with it.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it's making me hungry just watching you eat it. And I don't eat that much anymore.
Also point out that Taz is also trying out our bottomless service water.
Oh, the bottomless service water. Yep, can't forget that. Bottomless service water. Only here.
Never be dehydrated here.
No dehydrated kuyas at the drink.
Especially with that
All right.
coffee soon.
All right, guys, I got to tell you, yesterday was quite challenging. We had some challenges, like I said in the last video. Number one, everybody around here came on the first day, and I'm glad for it. I was happy everybody came, but you really put a challenge on my brand new cook staff, because we had a full restaurant in here, and then the power went out. On top of that, the refrigerator went out, so we were cooking in the dark. The fridge, we got that resolved, but you know, these were all things that just happened on the first opening day. It could have went smoother, but I got a good team back there, and they are doing better every day. Ask these guys. Dulce just said it. The biscuits are even better today than yesterday. This burger that we decided to break out today is top notch. That is just a mess.
I made history. I'm the very first one to buy the burger.
You are. You're the first one to buy the burger. We actually ate one earlier. We tested it out, made sure it was up to par. And you are the first customer to enjoy one. And I'm glad you're smiling. No complaints. This is not an edited or paid commercial.
No. He is not a paid spokesman. You know what, Johnny?
You gotta make that
Hey, will
statement,
my
please.
senior discount work here?
No.
You heard it here first,
You heard it here
guys.
first, guys. But I challenge any of you guys to find a better 2,200 peso burger in Angel City. I mean, that is the best 2,200 peso burger you've ever had, right, Johnny?
I've never had a 22.
All right.
So he didn't lie.
No.
Bring a little gold or something.
Little Goldschlager.
It's called the onion burger.
All right, guys, the onions are coming up here. The conversation has turned into onions here. The point that I'm getting at is, here lately, because of the price of onions, it's like the most expensive country in the world to buy onions, and that's a fact. Well, I don't know it's a fact, but I saw some Google stuff pop up the other day that said this is the most expensive country in the world to buy an onion, and they are expensive. We're talking about $2.50 US a pound. If you break it down, it's 500 a kilo, so the kilo's 2.2 pounds. If you buy in large quantities. Now, the onion prices here in the Philippines lately have been up to 700 pesos a kilo for onions. And that's ridiculous, right? Everybody knows about it. All you here in the Philippines know what we're going through with the onions. And the black market onions. But what does all of your food have on it, guys? All of your food, except for Dulce's, there's onions grilled and sauteed, and not a little bit. An ample amount of onions are coming out of these burgers. There is onions in the burrito.
Awesome onions, uncut, pure onions.
Pure onion. It's like gold.
Onion bread.
Everything we make here, guys, needs onions. A lot of our items are based on onions. You can't make a fried potato without onions. You can't do a skillet potato. home fries without onions. I tried to order a Whopper the other day at Burger King, and it said no onions available. What's a Whopper without onions? That makes the Whopper, right? Go find an onion somewhere right now in Angeles or in the Philippines on a meal. They have scratched them, but not here at Papi'S. We're not scratching onions. We're just going to make you pay more for the food to compensate for it. We're not taking them off. We're just going to up the prices. Nah, I'm just kidding. The prices are normal priced. Onions are staying on. We can't skimp on the onions, guys. Just can't do it.
I got it.
All right, news everybody, update. Drake just came up with another special here in the restaurant. Just his mind exploded. We're offering the bottomless coffee, right? Now we're gonna do bottomless iced tea, sweet iced tea as well.
It's a no-brainer.
If you're gonna have comfort food type of a menu like we do, you gotta have the sweet iced tea. Bottomless iced tea, bottomless coffee, bottomless waitresses.
Bottomless waitresses.
That's what I hear.
Bottomless, you're at
But they're kind of arguing with us a little bit on that one.
Are you guys okay with that? Everybody good?
Bottomless?
Tips are gonna go up. Bottomless waitresses?
No? I thought maybe you didn't understand that. All right. Just joking, everybody. We would never ask for that. We are very respectful here. Right, Drake?
Oh yeah, we're family friendly here.
Family friendly. We wouldn't want to do that. Just a joke, guys. Just a
Just
joke.
kidding.